SEZL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. This is pre-market made. Am I buying or not? Let's watch this. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Now, because this crash is very similar to Lily, I'm not going to be coming to a conclusion in just whether I should buy or not. This is not enough candles, not enough data to work with. I'm the only person in this page that has 45,000 videos made over 5 years and spent tens of thousands of dollars over those 5 years. Courses and mentors. So I've seen what's working for me and mainly documented it all. It's all on my YouTube channel. But with Sezzle, yeah, bigger crash, I guess it happened. And what can I do about it now? Well, as long as there is enough candles and candles seem like the price wants to shift, then and only then I'm buying. That's why I have this waiting caps, because unless rules are met, right, I'm not going to be coming here and just saying, oh, it's a buy, right? Rules, first of all, must be met. And if they're not met, then I guess it is what it is. Right, not everything is going to be bought or sold at any given point. You just have to let go of some moves, right? And if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.